Silverado 2014 to 2018. Air compressor pressure valve. They do sell it for those who having issues with the compressor regulating the temperature. This is what control the Freon. They do sell it. Dealer don't sell it, but you can find it in eBay. Pressure control valve for the air compressor. Silverado 2014-2018. 5.3, 4.3, 6.2. They all bring the same compressor. It has a little clip behind the valve. It comes out and you replace it. Brand new valve. They sell it $43 instead of spending $300 for a compressor.